You see, Ipsy, I'm not that harsh. I complain about you a lot, but at the end of the day, I'll be fair when fair is due. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious to see a head-to-head battle between Boxycharm's base box and Ipsy's Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Alright, August 2020 or September 2020, depends on how you want to look at it. I received my Boxycharm, I want to say around the 10th, the 12th of the month. My Ipsy wasn't shipped until the 15th of August, and I didn't receive it until yesterday, late in the afternoon on September the 5th. I don't know what's going on, but I finally got it, so apologies for the super late head-to-head. I'm still going to do it because I do it every month when there isn't my Boxy Ultimate. So this month we have some kind of comparisons, and then some that are just going to be it's what's left over. Alright, let's start off with the easiest to compare. From Boxycharm we got a 9-pan palette. From Ipsy we got a duo of eyeshadow sticks. I actually don't mind eyeshadow sticks. A 9-pan palette is more, gives you more options. There is no mirror. These are very cool tone shades. What I find interesting, both I find extremely overpriced. They are $38. 9-pan, no mirror for $38? Come on, Boxycharm. Ipsy, 2 eyeshadow sticks for $38? You're saying each is $19? Alright. No. Next comparison. Oh, so I will use both, so they technically both get a point. I find them both extremely overpriced. Alright, next comparison. So from Ipsy, we got from ILLAMASQUA a clear lip gloss, and in the Boxycharm we got this from Sugar Rush, a Tarte subsidiary or sub-brand, a lip balm. I will use both. I like both. They're both going to get a point. This is $12, very small. This is $25, very pricey for a lip gloss that's clear, from a brand that, frankly, I'm only familiar with from beauty subscription boxes. Alright, the next items are the stars of both boxes. So, from Boxycharm, we have a Glamglow Moisturetrip Moisturizer. This is fantastic. And then from Ipsy, from Murad, I got an renewing eye cream. Both are skincare. I love skincare. Love this. Just received this today, so I haven't been able to try it, although I love any kind of eye cream. Both get a point. We are at 3 for 3 right now. Oh, and this is extremely expensive, $82. I think this was either $55 or $65. I will link on the screen. I filmed this over a month ago, and I can't remember. Alright, the next two side-by-sides are a little off, but it is what it is. So, in Boxycharm, from a brand I've never heard of called Aesthetica, we got a bronzer. I'm wearing it today. It's lovely. I normally can't bronze because it's too orange or too dark, but this works great. And then in Ipsy, we got a liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. In the tube, it looks lovelier, a little more cool tone. Out, it's a very orange and warm. I can make it work, but it's not my favorite shade in the world. So, Boxycharm's going to get a point. Ipsy's going to get half a point. You know, it's a good brand. It's a nice, it feels good, just the color shade isn't perfect for me. Okay, last side by side. These are totally random, but it is what it is. So in Ipsy from Milk Makeup, we got a Kush brow product, brow gel. I don't do my brows, so Boxycharm, did I say Ipsy? Boxycharm, you're getting 0 points for that. Now, Ipsy provided a moisturizer SPF 25, which I love and enjoy. This is super bougie. This 60 millimeter, 2 ounce package, product costs $60. Regardless of the price point, Ipsy's getting a point. Boxycharm is not getting a point. So let's recap. Ipsy overall gets a 4.5 out of 5. Although I'm going to take off a point for being 3 to 3.5 weeks late. So your 4.5 just became a 3.5. Boxycharm, you get 1 point taken off for the brow product because in my survey I say brow products very low. You still do better than Ipsy at 4 out of 5 stars. So, now, when it comes to price per value, Ipsy is crazy expensive. We're talking over $200. So, when it comes to 5 products and the MSRP retail value, the Boxycharm added up to a $150 value, which is spectacular. You paid $25. Ipsy blew my mind. Typically, Boxycharm beats Ipsy by anywhere from $10 to $25. This month, I don't know if they screwed up and then forgot to mail mine. Somebody went, oh crap, and then they made my box extra good. Or if this is just spectacular. The value of my Ipsy box this month is $225. You heard me right. $25 purchase, or the box cost $25, and I received $225 worth of product. Okay, that makes me want to give back the 1 point I took away for them being late. So now they're back to a 4.5 box and edged over Boxycharm. You see, Ipsy, I'm not that harsh. I complain about you a lot, but at the end of the day, I'll be fair when fair is due. So, give me your thoughts. Do you get both Boxycharm and Ipsy? Do you kind of do a side-by-side? Figure out which one's better? Did your Ipsy kick Boxycharm's butt this month based off of price MSRP value? Are you like me where you tend to like your Boxycharm products a little better than your Ipsy? I would say they both had really good boxes this month. My biggest complaint is how late Ipsy was. Anyways, there you go. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.